hope, the one who knows every hidden dream and every unspoken feeling within us. Respected guest, Honorable Judge, Assalamu alaikum. Today I feel proud and happy to stand before you to speak on a meaningful topic. Curiosity is the foundation of learning. Dear audience, curiosity means the desire to know more. It means asking questions like why, how and what. Curiosity is not a bad habit. In fact, it's a beautiful habit that helps us to learn something new every day. When a child is curious, learning becomes fun. When a student is curious, learning becomes easy. Curiosity helps our mind grow and make us more confident. Dear listeners, our great learners once curious students. Scientists, inventors and successful people asked many questions. They were not afraid to learn and they were not afraid to make mistakes. Curiosity helped them to discover new ideas and acquire knowledge. Books, teachers and classroom are very important, but curiosity is the key that opens the door of learning. Without curiosity, learning becomes boring. With curiosity, learning becomes exciting and meaningful. So my dear friends, never stop asking questions. Never stop exploring new ideas. Always try to learn something new. At last, I would like to say that curiosity is the seed and learning is the tree that grows from it. If we stay curious, we keep learning throughout our life. Thank you.